What's up, guys? Clay at Mallard Motors, home of $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 cash money if we're unable to get your credit approved. What we got here is brand new to the lot, 2015 model GMC Yukon Denali, black in color. This one has the bigger size 6.2 liter V8, rear wheel drive. You got the chrome plated grille there, HID headlights on the front, got fog lights on the bottom as well. Fixed running boards on both sides, 3 rows of seats, chrome trim around the windows, on the door handles, on the side of the body there. Got some good tread left on the tires. Got 20-inch chrome plated wheels. Got blinkers in the side mirrors there, and they're also power fold. I'll show you how that works here in just a minute. Got parking sensors on the back bumper. Behind this little cover here, you got a towing package. Backup camera right there, and you have an automatic lift gate on the back. A little bit of storage back there. You can also lay these third row seats down if you need more room. They are power fold. And then just push this button to close. Let's see, we have keyless entry for it and remote start. You can kill it with the remote too. You got proximity buttons on all door handles, so as long as you've got your key on you, you can lock or unlock the door with that button. You've got light colored leather interior, still in really good shape. Got wood grain on the interior as well. Captain's chairs on the second row, and you have a bench seat on the third row. You got climate control for the back seat. Got heated seats on the second row. Got AC outlet there. Charging outlet there. Got headphones for the DVD player. Yes, it does work. Power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Here's that power fold setting. So they'll fold in and fold back out. Programmable seat memory. Power seats there. Leather's in good shape. Even got the Denali embroidering right there on the headrest. Got a sunroof up there. Got power adjustable pedals, power adjustable steering wheel. I'll show you this in a minute. You've got a heads-up display right here. That's where it'll reflect onto the glass right there, your speed and things like that. All right, it is push to start. Got 160,000 miles on the dash. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Controls for the radio, hands-free calling. You even have heated steering wheel option on there. And maybe, see, there's that heads-up display right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a glare, but it's showing we're going 0 miles an hour. You can move that up or down or turn it off, get it out of your way, whatever you want to do. Got a nice big touchscreen media center here, built-in navigation. It's even got storage behind it. Little cubby hole you can put stuff in, and you got a USB outlet back there as well. I'll show you the back camera. Does have Bluetooth, so you can hook your phone up for music or hands-free calling. Dual climate control for the front, and then here's your climate control for the back. You've got heated and cooled seats in the front 2 seats. I'm actually going to turn that cooled seat on right now. Here's your cup holders and extra storage right there. I really hope I'm not forgetting something. This thing's got a lot of features on it. Oh, drop my keys. Alright, if you're interested or you'd like more information, give me a call. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.